Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to take screenshot and then extract text using Google Chrome extension. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our image. So we are going to take screenshot and then we are going to extract text from the screenshot. So we are using Google Chrome web browser. So first install this extension Cider. So in Google you can write Cider and then click on add to Chrome. So click on it and then you see add extension. So again click on it. So after that you will see this window and then you see continue with Google. So click on it. Now you see account created by using Google and then click on start using Cider. Actually we are going to use combination of two Google Chrome add-ons or extension to take screenshot and extract text from the image or screenshot. So we install Cider and we already installed this extension Awesome Screen Recorder and Screenshot. Now go to website. Now close it. Now on top you see extension Awesome Screen Recorder and Screenshot. So we are using the combination of two add-ons, Cider and this. So click on it and then you see take screenshot and extract text. So click on it. So now we are going to take screenshot of the page. Now open Cider. Now you see image upload auto and then you see text here. So we are using combination of two Google Chrome add-ons, Awesome Screen Recorder and Cider. Now you see OCR. So we extract text from screenshot or image in Google Chrome. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.